Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today, yes, it's another year has gone by and it's time to change your air filter. We do a video every year. I want to show you how to do it that way. Just in case you forget, that's what this video is for, to show you. So I always use the AprilAire air filters. This is the MERV 13. I think this is probably one of the best ones that give you the most coverage in your home. Helps you with pollen, mold, spurs, bacteria, all that kind of stuff. Dust mites, odor, all that kind of stuff. Has a charcoal infusion in the back of it. We're going to show you that in 1 second. 213 CBN, that's the number. Let's take it out of the package real quick. Everything is always packaged really well with this company, all the time. Pop this out. See what it looks like. Now, how it comes in a nice bag. Everything is all high quality. There are aftermarket ones out there, but I always go with the brand when it comes to health like that. Personally, for me, I think this is just a better fit for my use in general. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a bag. I saved this bag to put the old one in. I'm going to show you that in a minute, so stick with me. We're going to actually change this in my furnace, and you're going to see how to do it exactly. And that way you know how to do it. Now, so what it looks like. Let me just show you, open it up, get an idea. The one side, and here is the other side. So you can see this is the white side. You can see how it's all white. And this here, you can see the dark in here, and that's the charcoal side. So one side is the charcoal infused inside here. It's got the mesh lining to help with the support. It's got the straps. It slides right in. Super easy to install. And this is what it looks like. Okay, let's pull the old one out and see what that looks like. Okay, guys, I'm at the furnace, as you can see here, and it's really super easy to take these out. They're very, very easy. Let me just get a little closer for you so you can see. So this pops right off. As you can see, it's very easy how this comes right out. It's got a couple of latches right here. And these just come right off really easy. And all you have to do is slide out the old one. And that's just pretty much, that's how easy it is to get these out. They're really super easy. So let's just show you how to do that real quick. You just take it here and just slide it right out. As you can see, it's got 2 rails on each side. And that's how you just slide it right out. And you put the new one in, you just hook up the rails at each side and you push it right back in. So let's just pull this out. Really easy. Let me get this out. There we go. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but this is pretty dirty, pretty nasty. It's got a lot of dust in there, a real lot of dust. Let's turn it around real quick here. Look at the other side. You can see the charcoal side. Let's go put this side by side with the new one, and that way you can really see the difference. It's this huge, huge difference. This is really dirty. Wow. All right, let's go take a look together. Sure, you can see the difference here. This is white, and this is same exact filter. This is just really dirty. I mean, really dirty. I was actually pulling it out. The dust was flying everywhere. I mean, you can really just see the dust and dirt all embedded into this filter. It did a fantastic job. And that's what it went into your lungs. This would have went into your body, all over the house. It just removes all that dust. And it really helps quite a bit. And also with the odor. But you can see here, there is a huge difference here, side by side comparison. This is white, and you can see this is like a dark gray. So you can definitely see the difference 100%. Let's install the new one. Again, really easy. Just line up the channel, just slide it in, and you're good to go. You can't get any easier than that, guys. That's really what it is. It's a lifesaver. If you enjoyed this type of video, let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, and share. There'll be a video link, actually a QR code right over here. If you want to go ahead and purchase this item, I do get a small commission, just to be clear and transparent. That's what I do, and that's how you can help support my channel. That's all I ask from you. Like I said, cost you nothing, and that's just the way it works with my channel. I want to teach and educate you and help and motivate you and inspire you how to do things like this on your own. Don't hire an HVAC guy. Do it yourself. Order these online yourself. Do them yourself once a year. I change it. They recommend 1, 6, 8 months. I go every year. It doesn't matter. It's actually fine. It works great. But you can see the difference. It is night and day. It really is night and day. I really want you to see the difference here. It is just nasty. Nasty, dirty. All right, let's get that. Let's go install the new one. Okay, guys, so I already have it installed into the channels. Again, they just slide into the channel right here. Both sides. They got two channels, one on one side, one on the other. It's an accordion style. You open it up and you put it right in. And all you do is just slide it right in. Very, really easy. Just like this here. Slide it right in, just like that there, and you're done. That's how easy it is, guys. It literally takes 2 minutes to do. Do it yourself, and all you do is take the door back on. The door just snaps in. See the 2 hooks over here? The 2 hooks just slap over here, like that, and you are done. That easy. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Made it super easy for you. If you have any questions or any comments, if I can help you anyway, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Like and share this video to help other people so they can save money. That's what this channel is all about. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me as always, and I'll see you at the next review, and thanks for watching.